The box looks fantastic, and it keeps that slick black and red theme we associate with the ROG range. There's a clear product photo right on the front too, which shows off some of the RGB lighting. Plus we can see the Aura 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth badges. Around the back, there are a few more technical details on show, such as the push-fit mechanical switch design, USB Type-C connectivity for wired charging modes. ASUS ROG Pugio II is equipped with 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth wireless technology, up to 100 hours of battery life, a 7-button programmable configuration, with built-in memory for DPI, lighting and macros, and a boot full of RGB tech. There have been a few updates since the last model, with the mouse now having wireless tech, and the sensor has been extensively upgraded from 7,200 dpi to a new 16,000 dpi design. The ergonomics are completely changed too for a more IntelliMouse-like design. The mouse is held in the box with some cardboard spacing, as well as a plastic shell to keep the hardware protected. In the box, you'll find all the usual documentation, stickers, a USB-C cable, and a little toolbox. The cable is really nice, and I love that it's Type-C, allowing for quick connections and fast charging when the batteries get low. Down the left side, 2 navigation buttons, as well as some hard-wearing grips. Down the right side, 2 more navigation buttons and more of that hard-wearing grip. That's right folks, it's an ambidextrous mouse, perfect for left-handed and right-hand use, while also offer extra buttons for macros and shortcuts. Around the back, it's pretty smooth. However, if you look closely again, it's not out of focus, it's that transparent body showing some details inside. The left mouse button and the right mouse button are both mounted on their own panels, rather than being formed from the same panel as the top of the mouse. This means they can be individually sprung for a more responsive and tactile feel. There's a good size rubber grip scroll wheel between them, which is also clickable. On the base of the mouse, we start to see some of the fancy features this mouse is hiding. There's a huge section of RGB lighting running around the rear of the mouse. Here you can swap between 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth mode, as well as pair the device. Also you can change the DPI setting using the dedicated switch. The mouse ditched the more angular design of the first-gen model. The smoother design is just a clean and curvy design that fits your hand very snugly. The design may look a little bland, but really it's just designed to be a good fit with no fuss. It's a classic mouse shape too, so palm rest, fingertip grip, claw grip, they all feel very comfortable, so hold it however you like. Tucked into the rear, you'll find the USB dongle, and honestly, what a great place to keep it safe. There's an ASUS logo, which is RGB lit. The little toolbox is full of wonders too. In here, you'll find a switch removal tool, and an extra set of switches. That's really cool. This is a premium gaming mouse with premium hardware, so it's of little surprise that it performs really well. Firstly, wireless tech isn't what it used to be, and while I'm not a FPS champion, I can't detect any lag in wireless mode personally. Both the 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth mode worked really well, however, the 2.4 GHz is best for most users. The Bluetooth is ideal for just hooking it directly to your laptop. The mouse is pretty bland at first glance, but it hides so many secrets too. It takes a moment to realize it's actually translucent, showing off a more technical design below the smoother exterior, which is really cool. Plus, even the RGB is tucked out of the way, so the light diffuses through the case, rather than being on the surface. The logo is proudly displayed, and ASUS also included a customizable blank badge. I also like how the dongle can be stored inside the mouse, so you shouldn't lose it. However, it's the swappable switch tech that I love the most. You can order up your favorite switches, drop them in, and you're good to go. This is a really brilliant mouse, and I'm sure that anyone that purchases it will be extremely happy with it. However, I'll admit that it's not a mouse for everyone. It's not the most complex and feature-packed gaming mouse out there for this kind of money. However, it's extremely well made and features some clever engineering and design aspects that help make it one of the best wireless gaming mice in its class. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.